The next fear is the fear of heights. You're going to stand on the end of that plank, unclip this, so you'll be connected to nothing.
No.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. کیا حال ہے ہمارا؟ ٹھیک ہے، طبیعت سے. منسٹر 20 وائرل منسٹر یوٹیوبر، منسٹر 20 یوٹیوبر، منسٹر وائرل، ان سے ہماری ملاقات ہونے والی ہے. تھوڑے سے کلپ ہم لگا کر اس کی ویڈیو کا نا، منسٹر 20 کی ویڈیو کے تھوڑے سے کلپ لگا کر تم لوگوں کو نا خوش کرنے والے ہیں.
My friend Mac is about to experience the scariest moment of his life.
I'm just gonna let you know, I'm not afraid of anything.
We'll see.
You cannot scare me.
Seal him up! You have to survive 10 minutes with 1,000 spiders to move up.
Oh.
Release the spiders! Oh. Start the timer! The reason we're doing this is because Max said no matter how hard I try, I can't scare him. Would you say you're scared now?
Getting there a little bit.
A little bit? Mm-hmm. And this is only one of many fears Mac will face in this video.
Oh God!
And if he can successfully face all of the fears, he will win $800,000. I'm not gonna lie, this was way more gnarly than I thought it would be. 3, 2, 1, lift it up, lift it up.
Oh yeah.
Congratulations on passing the first challenge! Let's go! But Mac has to finish all of these fears if he wants to win the $800,000 prize. Mac, I know you're blindfolded, but trust me, just walk up this ramp. Raise us up! Why are you taking a knee?
What is what?
Just stand up, stand up. Go on, you're fine, you're fine. No.
Alright,
Okay, you can hold on to it. That's cute.
Oh my God.
Okay. Mac, take off your blindfold. Welcome to challenge number 2.
Oh!
The next fear is the fear of heights. You're going to stand on the end of that plank, unclip this, so you'll be connected to nothing.
No, dude.
Press that button, and then free fall 200 feet. And without knowing how, trust, I'll catch you.
No.
You're shaking.
Yeah, of course I'm shaking. I'm gonna fall off of this without a harness on.
Yeah.
I can't even see the ground.
Oh, be very careful. Mac, I'm just going to tell you, even though you can't see the ground, you are very, very high up.
Oh my God, Mac!
All you have to do is unclip it and press that button.
Oh my God.
I want you to look at me in the eyes right now and tell me that I'm gonna fall and something's gonna catch me.
Something will break your fall, I promise.
Oh my.
You're literally attached to nothing.
Oh my God.
The clip is gone.
Oh my God, dude.
You don't have to do it. If you want to, you can tap out and just admit that you are wrong and you do get scared.
No way.
God, dude.
I would have to say you look pretty scared.
Oh my God. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Godspeed.
0.
I can't believe you did it.
He's a psycho.
And if you're wondering who my psychotic friend Mac is, he's actually a contestant from a previous challenge.